told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
From Trichur Surgical. We are the first manufacturer for medical equipments in South India since 1958. This is our 62nd year in the business. We are having a great time in EXPODENT Delhi now. We are in the show for the first time. We are the first manufacturing company to have ISO CE certified dental chair models. We have presented here one of the best dental chairs in the show for enquiries model, and we have more than 2,000 installations so far in the country, and we are looking to expand our market to northern India.
I'm Dr. Nisha this side. I'm working with this EXPODENT, which is a portable dentistry at doorstep. Why I'm here today is because this is the only platform where we can upgrade ourselves, especially as a dentist. Like we get to know about number of equipments which are latest into the market. Moreover, multiple clients like delegates from all over the India, not only from the India, but the foreign countries are coming here and they are just making us aware with the equipments they are dealing with. So I really like last year also I have been here, and this is my special platform where I love to come every time. And I am in favor that everyone should come here to upgrade their practices. Like it's really beneficial for all of us, and that is why I'm
Dr. Tabassum from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and it is awesome. We really had a good experience. Like few things which are not easily available are very costly. Those things we got here, and we don't have to search so much because they have organized everything really well. So I'm happy to be here.